Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to run message campaign in Facebook ads. So if you want to get more messages through Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, then you can consider running Facebook ads. Okay, so in this video, we'll show you how you can create a message campaign from scratch. So it would be a step-by-step guide. So without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. Okay. So I'll be advertising for this Facebook page. So this is basically a clothing store and they used to sell Indian shari or Indian wedding shari. Okay. So I have researched all the ad copies and ad targetings for this Facebook page so that I can put them in my ads and create the ads easily. Okay. So what I will basically do, I'll be creating 3 ad sets in one campaign, and in each ad set, I will create one short video ads because short video ads perform well in Messenger or message campaign, you know. So in each ad set, I'll give the same budget and I want to test them for next 30 days. And in next 30 days, I will definitely get a winner. So I'm gonna scale the ad set budget on the basis of performance, you know. So I'll pause the low performing ad sets and I will scale the winner ad set budget, you know. So that is my main goal. So this is called A/B testing. Okay. So you can see over here as the audience targeting and at set 1, I'm going to be using Indian wedding shari and shari, and as the primary text, I'm going to be using elevate your style with Queen's Fashion. Are you ready to step up your fashion game at Queen's Fashion? We are all about helping you make a style statement that's uniquely you. Discover our latest collection of exquisite fashion pieces from elegant evening wear to everyday essentials. Whether you are looking for timeless classics or the hottest trends, we have got you covered. Shop now and make every day as a fashion show. Ready to elevate your fashion game? Send us a message. So you can see over here as the call to action, I'm using send us a message or send message. Okay, as this is a message campaign. So this is ad set 1 targeting, and if you see as ad set 1 gender targeting, I'm using a female, but if I go to the ad set 2 gender targeting, then you will see female and male. So this is the only changes I am using in ad set 2, and all the targetings other than this gender targeting will be remaining same. Okay, so I'll change only one variant at a time. So this is called A/B testing. And if I scroll up a little bit, then you can see over here at ad set 1, I'm using Dhaka as location, but if I scroll down and go to the ad set 3, then you can see as the location, I'm using entire Bangladesh as location. Okay, so this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 3. Okay, perfect. So all the things are remaining same. So let's implement them in my ads. Okay, so first of all, I need to go to the ads manager section. Okay, then I'm gonna click on create. Then for message campaign, I'm going to be choosing engagement. Okay, so if I hover over it, then you can see over here engagement is basically if you want to get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event response. So I'm currently focused on getting messages. Okay, so you can see over here engagement campaign is good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Video views, post engagement, conversion. Okay, so I'm gonna choose engagement and click on continue. Then I'll name the campaign as Facebook message campaign And I'll not be choosing any special ad categories. I'll not be choosing any A/B test because I want to do it manually. Then I'll not be choosing advantage campaign budget. If you want, you can turn this on. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on next. Then I'll give the ad set name as ad set 1. Then I'm gonna use a pipe. Then if I go to the targeting section, so this is our is targeting. So I'm going to copy it from here and I'm going to use it in my ad set name. Then as the gender, I'm going to be using female. Then I'll use pipe again. Then as the location, I'm going to be using it as Dhaka and the daily budget is $10. Okay. So you can customize the ad set name as per your requirements. So from the conversion location, I'm going to be choosing messaging apps. So you can see over here, get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Okay. So in the ad type section, I'm going to keep it as click to message. Then I'm going to be choosing a Facebook page. So I'm going to be choosing Queen's Fashion as my Facebook page. So I'm going to select it from here. Then you can see over here as the messaging apps, I'm going to be using Messenger and WhatsApp. So for the time being, I'll not be using Instagram because Instagram is not connected with this business page. So what you can do, if you want to get messages from Instagram as well, then you can connect Instagram to your Facebook business page and select Instagram from here. Okay. So for the time being, I'm going to be choosing Messenger and WhatsApp. Okay. Then as the daily budget, I'll give the daily budget as $10 in each ad set, and I'll give the end date as 12th November. As I already told you, I'm gonna be testing these 3 ad set for next 30 days. Okay. So I'm gonna be choosing 12. Okay. Then I'll not be choosing any custom audience from here. And as the location, I'm gonna be using as Dhaka. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the location as Dhaka and I'm gonna choose this one, Dhaka division, Bangladesh. Okay, so if you want, you can select the radius, like you have option from 10 to 50-mile radius. Okay, so if you want, you can give any radius to this specific radius range. Okay, so for the time being, I'm gonna be choosing current city only. Okay, perfect. Then if I scroll down a little bit, as the S targeting, I'm going to be using the S targeting as 18 to 45. So I'm going to customize the S range from 18 to 45. Then as the gender targeting, I'm going to be using female or women as gender. So instead of using all, I'm going to use women. Okay. So we're in the targeting section right now. So I'll be using targeting as Indian wedding shari. And I'm going to search Indian wedding shari from here. And you can see over here, this is appearing. So I'm going to click on it and adding it as an interest. That means people who have interest on Indian wedding shari, then they will see my ads. Okay. Then I'm going to copy shari from here as well and search for it. So you can see over here, this is appearing over here. So I'm going to click on it and I'm adding it as an interest. That means people who have interest on shari, they might see my ads. Okay. Then you can see over here, this is the estimated audience size and this is the estimated daily result or daily reach. I might get 25 to 71 conversions, mean messages in each day. Okay. So as the placement section, I'm going to edit the placement and I'm going to choose manual placements. Okay. Then instead of using all of them, I'm going to be using Facebook and Messenger. So I'm going to deselect Instagram and audience network from the placement section. Okay, so you can see where my ads will be shown. So this is the feeds, stories and reels, in-stream ads for video and reels, search results. Okay, so I'll click on next. Then we are in the ads section. So I'll name the ads as short video ads. Okay, perfect. So you can name it as per your requirement. You can see my Facebook page is selected over here. Then I'm going to be choosing single image or video. Then from the add media section, I'm going to click on add video. Okay, so I have already uploaded the video. So what you can do, you can click on upload and upload a video from your computer. Okay, then it will be appearing over here. So I'm going to select it from here and click on next. I'm going to click on next again, and I'll be choosing 9:16, which is recommended ratio, then I'll click on next again. Then I'm going to click on done. Then we need to give a primary text. So I have already created a primary text, so I need to use it from here. So I'm going to use primary text as this one. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste it in the primary text section. Yeah, perfect. So you have 5 options to enter primary text. So if you want, you can enter another 4 primary text by clicking on add text option. Okay, so we are in the headline section. So I'm going to give the headline as Indian wedding shadi. Then I'll enter another headline. This is called Indian shadi. Indian shadi. Okay, so for the time being, I'll be using 2 headlines. So if you want, you can create multiple headlines by clicking on this button called add headline option. Okay, and as the call to action, I'm going to be using send message because this is a message campaign. Okay, perfect. Then we have an option called message template. Okay, so you can use existing, or if you want, you can create a new one. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit section, and you can see whenever someone click on send message button, then they will see those messages. Okay, those built-in messages, frequently asked question. So you can customize this FAQ section from here. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to be using what are your products, for example. So you can customize this section as per your requirements. Okay, so you need to give a automated response. So this is also optional, so it is not mandatory. If you want, you can give the automated response. So for example, I'm gonna giving the automated response as our products are Indian sarees and Indian wedding sarees. Okay, perfect. Then as question number 2, I'm gonna be using what is your product price. As an automated response, I'll write for knowing price, you can contact us. Okay, perfect. So for the time being, I'll be using 2 frequently asked question So if you want, you can use multiple. Okay, perfect. So these two frequently question I'm using in the message template for the time being. Okay, so if everything is okay, you can name the template as per your requirement. So I will name it as Facebook message campaign template. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna click on save and finish. Okay, perfect. Then if you click on advanced preview, then you will see the preview of your ads. Okay, so this is for Facebook feeds, this is for Facebook marketplace, this is for Facebook video feeds, this is for messenger inbox, Facebook reels, in-stream videos, ads on Facebook reels. Okay, search results. Okay, perfect. So if you want, you can share the link of your ads by clicking on a share link. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to enable this link sharing option and you need to select the date range. So for example, I'm going to be choosing 30 days. Then what you can do, you can copy this link, and if you want, you can send it to your clients. Okay, perfect. So I'll go to the ad set section. As I already told you, I'll be creating 3 ad sets in one campaign. So currently I have created only one. So I need to create another 2. So what I can do, I can copy the existing ad sets. Okay. So for copying, I'm gonna click on this 3 dot and I'm gonna click on quickly duplicate. So it is duplicating an ad set. Okay. So it might take some time. Please have some patience. So it is completed. Then I'm going to click on 3 dot again for copying and I'm going to click on quickly duplicate. So this is our main ad sets. So these two that I have just copied. So I'm going to modify the ad set name as ad set 2. Then as the targeting, I'm going to be using 18 to 45. And if I go to the ad set 2, then let me see, the gender targeting would be female and male. So instead of using only female, I'm going to be using female and male. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to remove copy from here. Okay, so if I scroll down a little bit, then in this ad set, I'll keep everything same other than the gender targeting. So the daily budget would be $10. Start date October 12th, end date November 12th, because I want to run the ad set for next 30 days for A/B testing, as I already told you. And as the location, I'm going to be giving the location as Dhaka, Bangladesh. Is range would be same as ad set 1. Okay, and as the gender, I'm going to be using all. Instead of using women, I'm going to be using all gender. Okay, and as the advanced detail targeting, I'll keep the advanced detail targeting same as at set 1, Indian wedding shari. Okay, perfect. Then manual placement would be also same, Facebook and Messenger. Okay, so if I go to the short video ads, then I will not be changing anything in the video ads as well. Okay, so you can see over here, I'm going to be using this video as video, and primary text would be used as this one and headlines would be used as these two. Okay, perfect. Then I'll go to the ad set 3. So I'll modify the ad set name as ad set 3 is range 18 to 45 female. And if I go to the ad set 3, then you can see the location targeting would be entire Bangladesh, or I can write Bangladesh instead of Dhaka. Okay, so this is the only changes I'm doing in the ad set tree. Okay, so if I scroll down a little bit, then I'll keep the daily budget as $10, then start date and end date November 12th. Okay, then the location targeting would be Bangladesh. Okay, so this is the only changes I'm making in this ad set. So I'm gonna search for Bangladesh. So I'm gonna be choosing Bangladesh as country or region. And I'll keep age targeting as same, gender targeting as same, advantage detail targeting as same, placement as same, video ads would be also same. Okay, I'll be using this video and just wait a little bit, and I'm gonna be using this primary text and these headlines as well. Okay, and the messaging template would be the same as well. Okay, so we have created 3 ad sets, and in each ad set I'm using a short video. So we are done right now. So if everything is okay, you can click on this publish button for publishing the campaign. Okay, so I'll not be clicking on this publish button because my payment method is not verified. I'm showing you for the demonstration purpose. So what you can do, you can create all the necessary campaigns, ad sets and ads, and if everything is okay, you can click on this publish button. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can set up a complete Facebook ads campaign for message campaign, complete Facebook ads for message campaign. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.